Hello everyone, welcome to Kitania's Kitchen. If you are home and you are wondering, what should I prepare now for date night? And you're thinking about something simple and doesn't take much time to prepare, then you might just consider sweet and sour chicken. Yes, so I'll be preparing sweet and sour chicken Jamaican style. You are watching Journey with Titania. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So here I have 2 chicken breasts, large, and they were washed with vinegar and lemon juice. Now I will be dicing them into small pieces. If you're not a breast person, then you can use thigh. So you slice across into 2 halves and then you go slicing across. Well, it's easier for me when I do it this way to get them into smaller cubes like. And then after separating, you can easily cut them again. So thigh, you can use thigh or the breast. Now we can apply our powdered season to the chicken. I'll be using 1 teaspoon Maggie chicken season, 1 teaspoon Maggie all-purpose, and half teaspoon ground black pepper. Now we can combine the season into the chicken. You can also add salt as needed. And we're going to leave this to marinate for 35 to 45 minutes. So I've added 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and we're going to combine this ingredient to make a batter for the chicken. If you don't fancy egg or you are allergic to egg, then you can use our frying pan over medium heat, and we will be adding our chicken to the oil. Now we will be sauteing our ginger, onion, garlic, and pimento seeds. Bell peppers, red, green, yellow, and our carrots. Sauteed for about a minute or two, we can prepare our sweet and sour sauce. So for our sweet and sour sauce, we have added 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and we have also added half tablespoon of granulated sugar. And we are going to combine and add this ingredient to the sauteed vegetables. Now we can add our freshly squeezed pineapple juice. We are going to bring this to a boil and let the vegetables cook for. Before we add our chicken, we're going to be adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Now we can add our chicken. For work tomorrow. Sweet and sour chicken
Jamaican Style. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.